Here because we have a crisis of bigger proportions in this institution. We have a leadership crisis occasioned by a court order that was issued the day before yesterday, and that order is being interpreted in different ways. So last night, I'm told some goons broke into the office of the Vice Chancellor and sat there purporting to be the Vice Chancellor of this institution. We condemn such acts in the strongest terms. We do not imagine for a moment that the courts have the ability to give us a Vice Chancellor. Court orders do not manage institutions. Much as we respect the court order, the circumstances on the ground are such that the opinions of Senate, the opinion of staff unions, the opinion of student unions is such that we do not quite recognize what is going on. And the reason for that is because the process of determination of who becomes the Vice Chancellor is clearly stipulated in law. And that process, as presented by government agencies, was not complete. We still hold that position. And much as the court may have given the order was given after hearing only one of the parties. And we think that is injudicious. The court should have given both parties time to present their positions before issuing an order that imposes leadership on us.
Solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong. Solidarity forever, solidarity forever.